Hello my lovelies, welcome to our first ever DIY project. I went to a co-market and I saw these gorgeous flowers for 500 naira. The vase is plain, you could see the cement and the flower looked scanty. I wanted a cute compact look like this, which would cost about 4,000 naira. So we set out to fancy up what we have. Now I'm going to teach you in 5 simple steps how you can achieve that plush flowers on a budget. Step 1. I cut the flowers into single roses. Step 2. I put glue on the flower vase and decorated with beads. Step 3. I use the vase to cut out the size of foam. Step 4. I fix in the flowers in the foam. Step 5. I put the glue in the vase and place the foam with the flowers in it. Voila! We got our plush flowers on a budget.